Alright, I want to start this one off by saying it is okay to like the bike that you ride. Yep, doesn't matter what it is. I don't care how big the wheels are, how heavy it is, how fast it is. I don't care. If you enjoy your bike, then you are on the right bike. No matter what anyone else wants to say, and I know that there's a lot of people that like to express their opinions. So one of the things that happens when you ride a weird bike, a new bike like the Pan America, is you get a lot of people that come out of the woodwork and want to tell you their opinions on it. Which is, yeah, it's fine. You know, people have different opinions, and that's cool. I mean, I don't mind that at all. The ones that kind of irk me the wrong way are the ones where they'll come out and they'll just blatantly come out and say how wrong you are. And that's a weird thing to say to somebody. Oh, you like this? Well, you're wrong. And for blah, 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 blah reasons. It's always something different, and it could be unless they have a bias towards the brand. If it's not their brand, they're gonna be offended that you like a different brand. I don't know, it's weird. Maybe they just had a bad experience in their past and they're jaded on a certain bike or something like that. Multitude of reasons, doesn't really matter. And I've been pretty honest on this channel about how much I love my bike and how I do have a bias, and I accept that. It's okay. It's okay to have a bias towards your bike. It's okay to like your bike. One of the strangest reasons I've got why I was wrong was someone brought up the fact of the corporate drama that's been going on lately with a lot of these motor companies. You know, bikes aren't selling as good as they used to, and some companies are hurting more than others, and whatever, just corporate drama that I don't care about. And he brought up this, like, oh, I would never invest in a company by buying that bike. Which, okay, I understand that that's how money works. And you, technically, yeah, you're investing in a company. Anyway, that's not how I buy things. You know, I spent the money for a product. I didn't spend the money to be a shareholder. I bought it because that's what I wanted. It's a toy. I'm sorry, motorcycles are toys. It's just a thing. They're supposed to be fun. You're supposed to have fun on them. They're not supposed to be so serious. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that has experienced this. I'm sure Pan America owners aren't the only ones to experience this. There's this elitist attitude no matter what you do. Doesn't matter. I found it in every single one of my hobbies. There's always a group of people that have this super elitist attitude of mine's the best and anyone else is wrong. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be anything, from anything from kayaks to fishing to bicycles to whatever it is. There's always going to be an elitist attitude that has this, I look down on you because you ride a certain thing or you have a certain thing, and it's not the right thing. You did the wrong thing. I never understood it. Like, these things are supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be an enjoyable activity, you know? I just don't understand it. Why are you being so uptight about something that's supposed to be fun? So anyways, all that being said, I don't care what people ride. My friends group, we all have different bikes. And for the most part, we all love the bikes that we own. And some of us have found our bike that we really like for the time being, and it doesn't have to be permanent. You know, maybe I'll change my mind in a little bit. Maybe, who knows, maybe a GS will be in my future. You know, I don't know. But for right now, I like my bike. And it's okay to like your bike. No matter what anybody else says, it's okay to like the bike you ride. As long as you enjoy it, and it gives you that feeling of when you get off the bike, you look back and you say, that's my bike. So I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Don't let anybody like deter you on what bike you should buy. Get the bike you want. Enjoy the bike you have. It's okay. It's okay to like your bike, no matter what other people say. So let me know in the comments down below if anyone's giving you crap for the bike you ride. I find these stories hilarious. They're some of the funniest to me. And if you could, please subscribe. It helps me out a ton, and I will see you guys later. What are you doing? They're just tainted forever. That's the wrong word for that, man. And they're just jaded. There you go. That's the right word.